To get to the math tools in Pearson Realize, you're going to log into your account and then you're going to go to your classes and you're going to select your math class. I'm in Ryan's account so that I could show you what it looks like from the student side. So you click on your math class, you'll see all your assignments, and then over here you see eText and tools. You can scroll down. You have Game Center, which a lot of you are used to playing. You could go here and see if you can find some fraction games. But what I also want you to do is go to Math Tools, select Math Tools, and then the tools pop up. And I would like you to go to Fractions today, Equivalent Fractions, and practice using this tool and finding equivalent fractions. To do so, I can tell I'm on this side of the circle because of the box. I can click on a fraction, it will name it, and then I click over here and I try and come up with an equivalent fraction. If I do thirds, not enough. Too much. So there are no thirds that are equal to half. So I'll erase that side and then I'll try fourths. 1/4, 2/4. 2/4 is equivalent to 1/2. So I want you to play around with the math tools coming up with equivalent fractions. You can also do bars, not just circles. Also, you can come over here and look at fraction strips and play around with some fraction strips. There's also on a number line. So you can practice finding equivalent fractions and using the fractions tools for part of your lesson today. Have fun!